To replace a Chase credit or debit card, you can follow these steps. Report lost or stolen card. If your card is lost or stolen, immediately contact Chase customer service to report it. You can do this by calling the number on the back of your card or through Chase's online banking or mobile app. Request replacement. Inform the customer service representative that you need a replacement card. They will guide you through the process and ask for verification of your identity. Choose delivery method. Chase typically offers multiple delivery options for replacement cards. You can choose to have it mailed to your address on file or expedited shipping for a faster delivery. Verify information. Confirm your mailing address and any other necessary details to ensure accurate delivery of the replacement card. Receive and activate. Once your replacement card arrives, activate it following the instructions provided by Chase. This often involves calling a specific number or logging into your online banking account. Update payment information. If your card was linked to any recurring payments or digital wallets, remember to update this information with your new card details to avoid any disruptions in service. Dispose of old card. Safely dispose of your old card once you've activated the replacement to prevent unauthorized use.